Using cartoons to learn English is just like mixing study with fun. It's just like having tasty learning bites, or blending learning with laughing. Yes, dear audience, we are going to study cartoons. Which cartoons are best to learn English language at your own home? Because cartoons are always mesmerizing, they are stunning to learn, they capture our imagination. We still remember Tom and Jerry cartoons, how Tom is always defeated by Jerry, a small creature, and always Jerry taunts and teases Tom in his funny way. This is Tom and Jerry series, and you have many more cartoons of your childhood, and we still love to watch cartoons. Why? They are funny, they are entertaining, and they capture our imagination. The biggest thing is they capture our imagination, and we get involved in all those cartoons. So the best way to learn English language is through cartoons, because the reality is that since our childhood we do not fed up by watching cartoons. So we have to select the best cartoons to learn English language. And what kind of cartoons have you been watching in your childhood? Let me know in the comment section. And we have to contribute that what kind of cartoons are you watching, because my favorite cartoons, my always time favorite cartoon was Tom and Jerry series cartoons. It was fun series, how the Jerry always hides himself in his small house, and how the Tom is always being punished for nothing. So this is the best cartoon, but we are going to learn cartoons, what type of cartoons you should watch to learn English language, to improve your comprehension skills and listening skills, speaking skills, your confidence level. Each and every fact of your English level should be enhanced by watching these cartoons. So the first cartoon which I recommend here is Dora the Explorer. Yes, dear audience, Dora the Explorer. Because Dora, the protagonist and the title character, always embarks on adventures with her red boot monkey. Why? She is a icon. She is a protagonist, and she teaches to the young brains and to all the people who are watching Dora the Explorer. What she is teaching? She is teaching to complete the goal. She is teaching to overcome the obstacles along the way to their destination. She is always checking the map. What she is checking? She is always insisting on having the proper measures, proper action plan to complete your goals. And all the characters and all the people who are watching at the end of every series, they just cheer and celebrate by Dora's famous signature, "We did it." So you should watch this series and you will enjoy, and also enjoying you will learn English language, and you will be motivated and inspired to fulfill your target, to achieve your goal, to complete your destination and to reach your destination. How she overcome the obstacles will be a role model for you to overcome your obstacles in learning English language. You should not be bored. You should try to focus on your own goals, and checking out map will be a task for you to have a proper study plan of English language, because without map you can't reach your destination, and without a proper study plan and discipline, consistency and practice, you can't reach your goal. What are the obstacles? Obstacles are of pronunciation, obstacles are sometimes of speaking in front of others, obstacles are of fear. All these fears, all these problems of English language are your problems, and all the obstacles were of Dora, but she insists on completing the goal, on reaching the destination, and your destination is to become fluent in English. So you must watch this cartoon series and enhance your speaking and writing and listening skills also. Next cartoon series you have to watch is Masha and the Bear. Yes, dear audience, is the story of kindness and comedy. These are blended together. Masha is a little girl and with her friend Bear. She is just a restless creature. She can't stand still. She always tries to do something, and something should be done every time. And this curiosity, or her curiosity and creativeness, creates funny scenes. This story of Masha and the bear is the best example of friendship, care, love, and freedom of creativity. She is the friend of beyond description. You should enjoy the series. How this series takes place in a jungle where Masha, a little girl, lives with her friend Bear, and she is always doing something. She can't stand still. She can't wait anymore. And her creativity always creates the funny scene. You enjoy the series, and after enjoying, what you will gain, you will gain fluency in English. Cartoon series is Martha Speaks. Yes, dear audience, Martha is a little family dog. She gains the ability to speak by drinking alphabet soup. This story is designed to increase oral vocabulary. You will gain new words, and children can and kids can know how to learn the new words when they hear like retrieve, sprout, and crave. So this story you should learn, and you should watch this cartoon series, and you will learn new words, how to gain new words, how to utilize new vocabulary, and you will gain the knowledge to increase your oral vocabulary. So Martha Speaks, you should watch this series, and you will be surprised how a dog, by drinking alphabet soup, can have the ability to talk. So these are the cartoon series. You will enjoy these cartoon series. You will not be bored, you will not be fatigued, you will not be exhausted and tired. Rather, your imagination will be fertile. You will be in your childhood age, and you will learn English language as well. This is the best quality, and this is the best characteristic of these cartoons. And how many and which type of cartoons in English language to enhance your English capability must kept let me know in the comment section, so that others can have benefit from it. So till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.